Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I am turning some resin. In there is the eye candy pigments and it's the neon green. This is a bit of an overpour from a project I was doing and I didn't want to waste it, so I thought, you know what, I'll let it heat up and I'll try doing this splash effect, if that's what you want to call it, or I want to call it. And it's all about separation, and this is clear resin at 105 degrees Fahrenheit, and I've literally just dumped it in so it doesn't mingle together, blend together, and it keeps it separate. So at the moment I'm just using the Easy Woods negative rake mid-size finisher here just to get a shape on there. This is not a big project tonight, it's just, like I say, a little bit of I can see there with the number one hollow as I'm taking those cuts, you can see how the resin normally comes off in white strips. This is really green when you're hitting that pigment. And here with the mid-size rougher, and now with the detailer on the mid-size from Easy Wood, just creating the dovetail. And again, these eye candy pigments in the neon range, they are so prominent, they're so defining their colour, they are so concentrated, it's absolutely unreal. And if you hit them in a black light, they really do glow. So I'm just using cling spore abrasives here, and I'm sanding from 120 up to 400, then wet sanding as I am now from 400 up to 1000. Don't know if you can see that, Shug, but that's a cling spore badge.
Oh.
And now onto the Yorkshire Girt from Easy Wood Tools. Oh, and it's all come off real nice. Look at that separation. I'm now using the Microcrystalline from Easy Wood Tools. And now I've flipped it around and now I'm hollowing it out. And there's a little bit of a slow-mo for you. Those ribbons are awesome coming off of this blank. And that's the number one hollower. Again, it's the mid-size range, making very short work of this. Look at those ribbons, they just pile up on that tool, and me, and my shelves, and everywhere else. That CI5 cutter, I'm lost for words every time I use it. And back to the mid-size finisher. And back to the cling spore. Again, going from 120 up to 400, and wet sanding from 400 up to 1000. Back to the Yorkshire Girt, original and then mag fine. Hope you like this one, guys. Thank you, and if you haven't already, please hit that thumbs up, add a comment if you don't mind, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. See you later. Catch you next time. Bye bye.